Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode, I don't remember what number, of Finish It Friday. And like I told you last week, I knew I wouldn't have the doll that I drew last week done, but I made a lot of progress. And so today I want to show you the progress on her. Her name's Rachel, according to the pattern. And I want to show you an update on Sophie's Universe, because I haven't worked a bunch, but I didn't show it last week, so I want to show you this week. I do want to start out by saying today I'm filming this Wednesday morning. So by the time you see this Friday, hopefully, knock on wood, I will have made it safely to Oklahoma, and then I will be coming back Saturday. Anyway, but the reason I bring it up is because I'm not going to have a lot of time to work on it between now and next Friday. But I will have it done next Friday, most definitely. So I don't even have any of the clothes on her, but just to go back over knocking everything down. What I'm making. So I am making Rachel, and just to let you guys know that I do have on my Etsy shop, the link will be in the description box, a link to these dolls that I'm selling, and when you buy the doll, you get a bunch of different crochet patterns, and this is one of them that you will get if you want to buy it. You don't have to, just little promo. Link in the description box. Anyway, so here she is. So my goal was to have this part of her dress done. This is all separate. This is all attach, fasten off, attach, and yada yada. So this is one big piece, and then the bodice, I wanted the sleeves done, and I wanted her hat done. Now, not the berries. I didn't do I don't know if they're actually berries, but the pattern calls these berries and leaves. So I didn't do any of these yet. I'm going to wait to do that until the very end. But I have the hat, bodice, sleeves, and then this main portion right here. Now, it was interesting because in the pattern, I don't know if you can even see it. If you can see it or not. Yeah, if I get real close, I'm trying to get it to focus on here. See right there? And then, there might be one here, and maybe right here. I can't tell exactly, but those are half double crochet decreases. And when I was making the bodice part, I thought, I don't like that those decreases are right there front and center, and that's all you're going to see. So I changed that to where the decreases are to the back of the bodice part of the dress, so you can't tell. And one other change, I told you guys that I was going to be using Pound of Love. I think it's antique white for the bodice. I wasn't liking that very much, so I ended up switching and using the exact same Magnolia Way yarn that I'm using for Sophie's Universe. Why do I keep wanting to call it Sophia's Grace? Is that something? Is that something online that it's not coming to me? I don't know. Anyway, Sophie's Universe, that's one of the colors I'm using in place of the Sheepji stonewashed, extra large stonewashed yarn that they have in that pattern. But I changed it to use... what is the name of that yarn? It's not I Love This Yarn. It's Hobby Lobby's knockoff brand. I think it is. I don't know. Anyway, the color is called Magnolia Way. So I used that, and it worked so much better. And then, of course, I got the Red Heart Super Saver Claret. And then I used the Patty Green and then Soft White. So here is my little doll. Here's her hat. Like I said, it's not completely done. And the way this is, if I roll it just like that. Sorry, I'm talking to myself. Here's her hat. And here is what I have of the dress. Everything is a mess right now because I've got to put it all together. But her collar, so far, the only issue that I've had with this pattern is the collar. The pattern for the collar was very odd, and I wasn't understanding it, and I was like, I can just do it myself. So I changed the pattern and made it myself, and this is so far Man, I wish that claret would come out better because that looks brown and that is not brown. But anyway, here's the little collar. It's a completely different separate piece. The only thing is, I'm thinking I probably should have not fully closed it because I can't get it over her head. Unless I pop her head off and then put it on her neck and put the head back on. I don't know if I really want to do that. Okay, I'm just trying to get her sleeves, or her hands in the sleeve. Little fingers want to stick to everything. Okay. Okay. Make sure she looks good. Ouch. So here is what I have so far. And like in the pattern, you can see that's going to ruffle up and then the bottom layer. That looks so horrible in the video. It is not that color. That is annoying. But anyway, and then the little collar will go around her neck. And I lost the hat. What's wrong with your eye? I don't know, it's weird looking. Anyway, I know it's a little funny. Actually, in next week's episode, when she's done, I'm probably going to attach a picture of, not attach, but insert a picture in the video so you guys can see the actual color of what she's looking like, because this isn't right. This doesn't look right. It's more of like a wine color. I don't know. That's annoying. But anyway, so she's still a work in progress. So set her down. Now, the pattern, I'm using 4mm crochet hook, and everything else is coming out great. I mean, like I said, the only thing that I changed was the decreases being at the front of the dress, and I changed them to the back of the dress instead of having like a wonky stitches right here that to you and I are going to be like, I can see that instantly. But, you know, someone that doesn't crochet, I don't know if they'd actually notice it or not. But I do, and I don't like it, so I put them to the back. So that is the progress I have on her. I just about pushed my lamp off the edge of my table. Okay, so let me show you Sophie's Universe. Oh, what row am I on? I have got Post-its and bookmarks and all kinds of things hanging out of this. I am on row 48, and there are 113. I got a ways to go, but let me show you my progress so far. This, I can't stress enough how happy I am with this. I love this. My sister has already been like, can I buy it from you? And I was like, no. No. But here's what I have so far. And I'm going to lean back real far to try to get all of it in camera. I think you can see it. I'm trying to see through the stitches. There you go. Oh, it's so pretty. And I have a bunch of ends to weave in, so don't judge me on that. There, now I can see. And I am currently, I'm currently at the bottom. See that green? I'm currently working what they're calling leaves. Let me show you real fast. Here we go. So I am, well, you can't see it. Hold on. Oh, you can't see it there either. Okay, well, what I'm working on is this right here. See, that's our short side, and that is what they call leaves. So I'm working on that, and I'm almost one side done. That's it. And I'm using a 6mm hook on that with just 4-weight yarn. And in the next episode, I'm hoping to have a bunch of this done. I'm not gonna, no way am I gonna have it done, but I want to have a bunch of it done, and because I'm ready to be able to lay this out on the bed and see it and just admire it. Okay. That is it for this episode. I wish I had more to show, but in next week's episode, I'm definitely gonna have Rachel done, and I will have I'll insert a picture in the video, like probably like right around in here, so you guys can see the true color. Not that, I don't know why it looks so brown on camera, but anyway. So yeah, this is a short one today. I know I have a hair stuck to my lip. I hate having short videos, but I got a lot to do today, and nothing of that has crochet in it, so I gotta get to work. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.